Carryover is a very important principle when you're doing addition. For numbers who add up to a sum smaller than 10, you really don't have to care about carryover, because when you add these two numbers, they equal 5. Now, if these two numbers add up to more than 5, let's say 9 plus 1, what are you actually doing in this sense? Well, you're going down and you're thinking in your head that this sum is 10, but you're actually first writing the 0, which is the units place of 10. And then you're mentally carrying over here, and then dropping down and adding everything in this column, which is 1. Now, the same applies if there is already a number in the tens digit. You know that 9 plus 1 is 10, but you put down the 0 first, and then you carry over the 1, and then you add 1 plus 1 is 2. Now, if the number is greater than 10, you know that 3 plus 8 is 11. You only put the 1 from the units digit, and then you put the 1 in the tens digit, and the tens digit. And then you add 1 plus 2 is 3. Now this technique becomes very vital when you have to carry over twice in the same addition. So let's say you have 99 plus 12. You're going to first know that 9 plus 2 is 11, only put the ones digit in the ones place, and then the tens place 1 goes here, and then you know that 1 plus 9 plus 1 is 11, so you put the 1 from the units place down, and then you carry over the 1 in the tens place, and then 1 plus nothing is 1. Now to illustrate how important this is to become a mental method, is if we make any kind of number, adding any type of equally long number, and you want to think 4 plus 9 is 13, add this, 1 plus 5 plus 6 is 12, so I only put down the 2, carry over the 1, 1 plus 6 plus 4 is 11, only put down the 1, carry the 1, 1 plus 7 plus 1 is 9, you don't have to carry over anything, but I'm just going to denote that by a 0, 9 plus 6 is 15, I'm only going to keep the 5, carry the 1, 1 plus 8 plus 4 is 13, I'm only going to put the 3, carry over the 1, 1 plus 9 plus 3 is 13, I'm only going to take the 3 and carry over the 1, and then leave the 1. Of course, on this step, when you know you're at the end of your addition, then you don't have to think about this last step. You can just say 1 plus 9 plus 3 is 13, and then just write it from left to right. But the trick is to make sure you don't make any fail, always write from right to left.